Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to work on the Bronco. If you're keen for the rat rod, I'll try to have that video out Friday. For those of you new and sub because of the rat rod, been working on this Bronco for about 3 years. Been doing a video every Monday on it, and I can't just stop work on it. So Mondays will be for the Bronco, and then Fridays, I think, is going to be for the rat rod. Kind of see we got it up right now. Got all my parts. We'll go over that next time and hopefully make a little progress with it. But enough about that. I think today, keep it short and simple. It is extremely hot out here, if you can't tell. Haven't been here that long, but I'm dying, sweating. I say it's all of about 95 to 98 degrees in here. And I did buy a little fan, which I don't know if that helped or not, but it's a small ones from Home Depot. Thought might as well give it a shot, because one fan, the good fan, is going to be on y'all, keep y'all cool, so you won't shut off and I lose everything. But tonight we're going to do more grinding and kind of sanding on the frame and painting it with some of the rust reformer that I picked up this weekend. We'll probably do this frame rail here, try to get all the way back like we did this other side. So I'm really wanting to get this rust knocked down best I can. Didn't tell you this, but we went on a little vacation last week. Went to Mount Rushmore. It's just as hot up there as it is here in Oklahoma. And unfortunate news is that one of our dogs passed away while we were gone. She's been with us for 18 years. Actually our first dog me and my wife had as a couple. So kind of sad, but I mean, she lived a long, happy life, and I kind of knew it was getting close anyways. But other than that, had a good time. But anyways, enough on that. Wife said I shouldn't say stuff like that, but it just helps. Anyways, back to the Bronco. Clean these frame rails down and paint them, and that's probably all we're going to do today. Just reason being is extremely hot out here, and right now the battery is slowly dying, so need to shut up and get to work. But I'm gonna put you over here, and hopefully nothing happens and y'all don't shut off, but I'm gonna get my best to get this cleaned off and sprayed with some paint, at least the top part. We'll worry about the sides later. If we got time, we might go around, but really need to pop those clips off too. But I'm gonna concentrate on this, get this kind of ground down all the way about this body out here and back, kind of like the other side, and spray some paint and call it a day because it is hot. Anyways, let's set you up here and let's get to work. Taking a little bit longer than I anticipated. A lot of surface rust, and this heat's killing my batteries really quick. I did notice that I got my VIN number right here on the frame. I'll kind of wipe it off in a minute and show you. It matches the glove box, so that's good. But has some kind of black undercoating on it. It's taking a long time to kind of peel that back. I think we're going to finish out the end here, get it all the, well, it's like surface rust, but it's not really pitted, it's just kind of bubbled up. I don't know how to explain it, but kind of knocking that down. And we're gonna go over it real good with that contouring tool. And I'm not gonna push too hard into where the VIN number is, just because I don't want it to essentially grind it off. So we'll go light over that area. We will hit it though, just kind of make it a little bit brighter, a little bit easier to see. And then after that, I'll probably give it a couple coats of paint, and it should be dry in like 2 minutes with the heat out here. But let's continue on. I got a little bit more to do in the back here. I got some what they call booger welds, not booger welds, but splatter. So we'll clean that and grind those down back a little bit so it doesn't rip up the barrel too much. And check to where they welded that piece of metal for the bumper, or for the hitch. Yeah, for the little hitch they put on, and make sure that's down level and flat. Essentially, this is what I did on the video that didn't have a video, more or less. So at least you get it once, not twice. But let's get back over there and get back to work, and hopefully y'all stay on and not overheat. Alright, I've about had as much heat as I can take. I haven't been here a long time at all. But we got the top ground down, or sanded down I should say. I'm going to show you like where the VIN is on this, and then we'll wipe it down and put some paint on it. Let's go look at that spot right there. I think that contour did pretty good. It's all flat and smooth. But there's see, there's, I don't know if you can tell or not, it says DOTA 3C something -2A, and then you can see that's the VIN right there, and that matches my glove box lid, and I think the sticker on the Bronco too. You can see it cleaned that off pretty nice. That's where we ground down some welds and splatter and stuff, and it doesn't look like it, but it's smooth, pretty smooth. So when we clean it off and spray it, more than likely I'm gonna have to get this thing sandblasted anyways. This is just kind of preventative until I get the I have the funds, a little bit of funds now, but I just don't want to jump into it just right now. But anyways, let's clean this off right quick, and then we'll put a couple coats of paint and call it a day. Well, we got it painted. That's all I can do today, I think. It is hot. I don't know if you saw, but there's a yellow jacket. I guess gonna try and make a nest in the frame. was gonna let him live if he went away, but he kept coming back and got smacked with my hat. Hope he's dead. Hope I didn't make him mad. But anyways, I'm bringing him here, kind of show you how it looks, and talk about what I think we might do next time. Really need to get these sides done. All right, got it painted. Doesn't look bad. Don't know if you can see the stamps in the frame or not. Light's kind of weird. VIN number. Stuff's still kind of wet, but it's drying really fast. I don't think it looks that bad. The yellow jacket is around this one. And this didn't have any rust through on it yet, so I think pretty good. Maybe, hopefully. Like I said, then we had to get a sandblaster. Come and get in here, especially right in here, where all this is. That don't look right. Looks like it's layered with rust. Anyways, bunch of new rubbers and everything else. Anyways, I'm getting ahead of myself. This is the thinnest part. This is the worst one, I think. But I think there's still enough metal there that should be okay, I hope. Because I'm not gonna really do anything with that one, because there's still pretty good metal. Not as good as these by any means. This is a lot thicker. I think it's all right. It's about like this one. This one's kind of thin. Seems like the ones on this side are all thin except for the one that's kind of up. But yeah, we got the tops done, which I think is pretty good. Might take this out, the transmission mount, next time. Paint it, get sand it down, painted, and put back in. And while we're at it, we may go ahead and mess with these mounts, get them knocked down and painted, and kind of finish up the top through here. I need to take that thing off. I think I can. And that thing over there. I guess you can, you know, I'm mechanically inclined. I don't know what exactly those are, the thingamabobs. But yeah, so far so good. Like I said, Friday will be video on this. I'm going to do a little bit each week, or each day of the week. And get this hopefully going here pretty quick, because we're not doing anything to the body. Just getting the engine to work, transmission, brakes, lights, and we'll be good to go. Here's a little preview of what we got in here. Bunch of stuff back there. We'll be going over that next time. But just want to say thank y'all. You may have stuck it around. It's kind of boring sanding and painting, but it has to be done. Like I said, I'm going to take you through every part of this build, and even through the boring parts, which I'm going to try to see if there's a sand blaster in my area that can blast this frame down in a lot quicker time than I'm doing. Should be nice. I'm going to try to figure that out. If not, we'll continue. Maybe bring out the little pot we got and hit the hard to reach places with it. But anyways, so I want to say thank you all again for sticking around. And if you're here for the rat rod, sorry we didn't go over it today, but got to keep working on the Bronco. I don't want to stop on it. And like I said, we'll do the rat rod during the week. Plan on having a video out Friday, about 8 or so. And just kind of do that until we get that going. Then we'll be back on this full time, and hopefully going to some car shows in the rat rod and enjoying it, and kind of getting out of the garage a little bit more. Do a little more car related stuff, like car shows and drives, you know, cruising Main Street and stuff like that, because I think they already did it in here where I live, and I missed it this year. So hopefully next year we'll still have that if I haven't sold it. But just fun stuff ahead. But again, thank y'all who's using my Amazon links below. It does help out a lot. like I said, if you just click and you don't have to buy the item, you can just buy anything off Amazon within 24 hours and I get a small cut of that. I think they say the bigger the amount, the more money, but I'm happy with whatever, you know, anything to help go into the Bronco and now the rat rod. But we do have most of the parts to get that going, I think. But anyways, thank you for sticking with me and sticking through this. Can't wait for some cooler weather, and we'll spend more time out here. May have to be coming out here later in the evening in the near future, but that's a whole nother topic that I'll get into later about some things that might be changing. But anyways, thank you all, and I'll see you next week.